Hi guys, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, a full-time worker mama bee and a weekend craft enthusiast. I was so excited to start the series on wedding-inspired accessories. Due to the world's current situation, weddings are more intimate, which is why I think it's the perfect opportunity to focus on the details, such as accessories for the bride and the bridesmaids. Gifting your bridesmaids with accessories is also a practical souvenir and a way to create lasting memories with them. To begin, we will make sure that we are working on a very clean surface as most of our clay will be white. To clean my ruler, I get 2 squares of tissue and pass it through the ruler on the thinnest setting. I do this repeatedly until I don't get any lines on my tissue. I want to be very honest with you though, and let you know that while I did this, there were still times that I still got gray lines on my clay. My suspicion is that the ruler also has oil on its hinges, which sometimes transfers to the clay. So just a heads up, this is not a foolproof hack. I also had to wipe down my glass mat repeatedly. Next, for the clay, as you can tell, I was prepared for this video. I bought a big block of white Sculpey. As I am not a fan of super white, I mixed all my Sculpey with a bit of accent clay. For the accents, I used the glittered clay from Sculpey Premo plus a bit of baby blue. Proportions are about 3/4 white mixed with 1/4 of the accent color. For my first pair of earrings, I wanted to make something for the bride. As the bride is the star of any wedding, I really wanted to make a statement piece. I don't own a lot of fancy cutters, so I used this one with a tapered curved edge. I punched 5 shapes and rearranged the shapes with the center being the tallest piece. Finally, I punched out a circle for the center. All these pieces are arranged on a light blue slab so that I could have a background outline. I used a detail needle to cut around the shape. I also brushed a piece with some white mica powder. And then I punched a hole on the top for my earring findings. I actually made 2 versions, with the other one having a dangling pearl at the bottom for extra fanciness. Another fun accessory to make for a wedding are matching clips. The bride can give a barrette for each of her bridesmaids as well. For this project, you will need a barrette, gem-shaped silicone molds, and mica powder. If you're not very sure of how to use silicone molds, do watch one of my tutorials on the link above. I just filled the barrette with the gems. Once these are baked, you can cover the whole barrette with some ribbon before sticking on the gems using E6000 glue. And finally, I made special earrings for the bridesmaids as well. Like I said, accessories are the perfect bridesmaid souvenir. So if you're preparing a loot bag for your bridesmaids, do consider adding some accessories to the mix. I used a particular color palette for this mix because traditionally the bridesmaid gowns have a bit more color to them. So, in this case, if you were to have a blue theme, I would mix different blue hues, mostly in pastel, to mix with my whites. I also used flower silicone molds. I arranged these flowers on the slab and then used my cutters to cut the shapes out. Honestly, I really had fun doing this video. Like I said, being a full-time worker, sometimes it's hard to fit this in my schedule. But seeing the results are so worth it. I actually had a few more ideas for bridal accessories, but it would make this video too long. Just comment down below if you want to see more wedding-inspired accessories, or if you'd like to see a wedding color recipe video. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I really appreciate everyone who drops by and watches. To find out what I'm up to, do follow me on my IG at crafttime.ph. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!
Yeah.